Weathering refers to the process of rocks decaying, breaking up, or changing color. Water, air, chemicals, plants, and animals can all contribute to weathering. Chemical weathering occurs when chemical changes occur in the rock's minerals or on its surface, causing the rock to change shape or color. Chemical weathering can be caused by carbon dioxide, oxygen, water, and acids. Mechanical weathering is the process of breaking down a huge rock into smaller pieces without altering its minerals. Frost, ice, plant roots, running water, and heat from the sun can all induce mechanical weathering. Wind, water, and ice can start to move small fragments of rock that have been modified or broken apart by weathering. Erosion occurs when smaller rock fragments, now pebbles, sand, or soil, are pushed by natural forces. So, weathering is the process of a rock changing or breaking, but remaining in its original location. Erosion is when weathered rock fragments are transported away. An example of erosion in irrigation is when water is washing away part of the soil. Rain and flooding typically causes lots of soil erosion. Some examples of weathering are the rocks of a waterfall slowly weathering and moving back over time. Deposition is almost like the opposite of erosion. Deposition is the dropping of eroded sediments in a new place. An example of deposition is sand dunes. Large amounts of small sand sediments are moved by the wind and drop into one big area, which forms large sand dunes. Floods are a big contributor to these three phenomena. As the water rushes across the terrain, floodwater can weather and erode rock and other features. In a flood, eroded dirt is deposited in a new location, usually at a river's mouth. Rocks and other landforms break down as a result of these floods, which is weathering.